Okay, what day? Now we are recording Raymond Jiang doing the Rubik's Cube. Now I'm gonna mix up the cube and you will have time to inspect it, okay? Before we start the clock, let me get the clock, let me get the timer also. So, okay, now you can take a look, let me get the timer. Don't touch it yet, okay? Don't touch it, don't touch it. Put your hand down when you're done inspecting. Are you done? Are you ready? Put your hand. Put it flat. Are you ready?
Yes.
Go.
Go.
Alright, now I'm starting the clock. Looks like you got the first layer completed. Not bad. And what time? Let me see the time now. Time is 52 seconds. Down to the last layer?
Yes.
Wow. Not bad. Your time is 1 minute and 20 seconds now. Set up on the table. Wait, don't go away. You have to face the camera. Are you getting close?
Kind of.
You got your blue cross yet? What time is it now? 2 minutes and 37 seconds. Done. All right. Time.
3 minutes.
3 minutes and 6 seconds. Wow. Can you hold the cube and turn it around? Wow. Good job. You completed all 6 sides of Rubik Cube. You completely solved it.
Oh.
Yeah. Alrighty. Good job. Good job.